solve linear equations with two variable terms on different sides and parentheses. So we're going to solve these equations. I'm going to isolate the variable on the left side. You don't have to do that. So because I have parentheses, I know I'm going to be using the distributive property. So if we do this question on the left, let's call that problem 1. There's parentheses on the right side, so that -2 is going to be multiplied. So my left side is going to stay the same. My right side, that -2 has to multiply everything. -2 times 4y. And then I'm going to take that -2 and also multiply it by that 6. On the right side, I'm going to get -8y plus -12. And we don't write the plus negative. We could just write that as a minus. And that's going to equal -5y plus 6. I can add 8y on both sides of the equation, because those are like terms. And now I'm left with 3y plus 6 equals -12. I could subtract the 6, and now I have 3y is equal to -18. Divide by 3, and y is equal to -6. So there is our first solution. For problem number 2, it's similar. So we're going to follow the same steps. On the left side is where we have our distribution. So we still have -2. So that -2 is going to multiply by the 7x. We're going to subtract, because there's a minus in the parentheses. That -2 is going to multiply by the 4. We're going to add 6. So our left side is going to simplify to -14x plus 8 plus 6. And the right side is -14x plus 14. So -14x plus 14 equals -14x plus 14. Okay, so this is interesting. I'm going to go one more step to explain what's happening. If I want to combine these like terms, I'm going to add 14x to both sides. -14 plus 14 is 0. So there are no more x's. There's no variable on the left side. -14 plus 14 is also 0. There is no variable on the right side. This is a special case. Because both of these have the same number and there is no variable, we say your answer is all solutions. That means any number will work for this problem. You can plug in any x value and it will make the left side equal to the right side all the time, every time. If you do all this work and there is no variable, but you have different numbers, right? So let's say you have 14 on the left side and on the right side is the number 12. Those are not the same number. That actually is not true. So because it's not true, there will be no solution to a linear equation that ends like that.